As you can see, it's getting really windy out here. We have to tie up this corn or we're going to lose it. We've got tornado warnings today here in Zone 7A, and we have to get to work. I'll show you how we tie it up. One advantage we have as a backyard food gardener is we can wrap up our corn. Obviously a farmer can't do that, but we can. What I did was I tied one of our row covers around the corn, and I've been doing this for a lot of years and it works. What you do is you put the row cover about a little bit above halfway, and I'll show you what that does. It makes the corn like a uni structure, so it uses the strength of all the roots, and it really does work. Give that a try for your backyard food garden. I think you'll be really happy you did. Well, the wind has pretty much died down and our corn looks really good. I know this was a short video, but I hope you got something out of it. It really does help to tie up your corn. If you like this video, check out this next one coming up, and please like and subscribe. It really does help us out.